Greetings of peace to all of you. Om Shanti. With great joy, we share with you the wonderful news that Peace in the Park, New York is back. And guess what? It's live. For the past 2 years, due to safety concerns, we have celebrated peace in the virtual park online with you, with music, meditation, and spiritual unity. This year, we invite you to join us as we come together into the sunlight on Friday, July 29th from 12 noon until sundown, 7 p.m. in our beautiful Central Park at the number Banshao. Together, we will celebrate the best that's in all of us, which is our peace and our love. For we are one people, one planet, with one purpose, peace. We will relax, we will play, meditate, be creative at this free event. We will feature the finest of dancers from cultures around the world, beautiful musical and artistic performances, kid-friendly activities, and of course, meditation. So join us in the park, Central Park, and help us spread the universal message of peace. Today, we want to share with you a few highlights of what took place in the past and what to expect this year. Thank you.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
Vision Statement. For all people of the earth to live in a world of peace, where harmony and respect are preserved among all living beings. Mission Statement. Peace in the Park provides simple tools on how to care for our world and to respect and uphold the dignity of all races, genders, ages, and faiths through artistic expression.
Peace in the Park provides simple tools on how to care for our world and to respect and uphold the dignity of all races, genders, ages, and faiths through artistic expressions. Peace in the Park aims to bring people together to experience what a culture of peace and inclusivity looks and feels like. It is a festival where self-enrichment is a highlight because there is definitely more to life than the day-to-day things we are individually occupied with. Peace in the Park creates a bubble, inviting anyone to enter, to experience the different energies which one can tap into, to explore shifting those energies within the self, and amazingly, see how the shift takes place in one's outer world. PIP sees each one as a ripple that impacts the whole.
Come and have a shot of positive energy. No matter what time of day, be present and give yourself a present.
Join us this summer for Peace in the Park. We are all coming together bringing our angelic dress, either with our wings or wearing white or a light color, or just our angelic hearts. We are all coming together to create a powerful vibration of peace. Because right now, that's what the world needs. Join us at Peace in the Park in Central Park, New York City.
Hello everyone. Peace in the Park has been very exciting for me. Enjoying all the fun activities, meeting people, enjoying nature, and most of all, sharing the love for all. See you on July 29th.
Hello, I'm Tony, and I've been involved with Peace in the Park now for about 12 years since its inception. And to me, Peace in the Park is a celebration of a special space, the creation of a place where we can maybe stop, think a little bit about where we are, enjoy the people and the activities, and hopefully come out with a perspective slightly different than when we started.
For me, Peace in the Park is like cultivating the different walks of life into a new togetherness and sharing that bond of love and respect for all. I think you should come to Peace in the Park because of the atmosphere. I think the people there really show a different bond of unity and love for a better world.
I can't wait to be back in the park, Central Park, at Peace in the Park. Peace in the Park will be back live on Friday, July 29th. I miss seeing you, so let's all get together in the sunshine and spread our vibrations of peace. Om Shanti.
Hello, I'm Michelle delafov. I'm a singer and actress, and I have had the privilege to sing for the Brahma Kumaris at the UN and also support their Peace in the Park. I've had the privilege to sing in Central Park in this summer when everything is glorious. The trees are in full bloom and the birds are singing and the air is balmy. And this group of people that are gathered by the bandshell to bring about a special awareness of peace. And I think all of humanity gathers there in Central Park. And it's the perfect place to spread peace and how to achieve it. In all of my years of searching for my soul's purpose and my soul's peace, this to me is a very important awareness that is so necessary for our society today. How you achieve peace is within you. And then after you have it within you, you spread it out to all those you know and love. And you continue the process to bring about world peace. It is something that all of humanity wants. So this next year, in 2022, I hope you will join us in July and experience what many people who have gathered together to help you experience peace. Thank you so much. Peace.
Namaste everyone. My name is Guru Dilipji. I am the global chairman of the World Yoga Community. For 35 years, I am partnering events with the Brahma Kumaris organization, a wonderful international NGO accredited with the United Nations. They are totally dedicated to humanitarian work. On Friday, July 29th, they are organizing an event called Peace in the Park at the Bandshell in the Central Park. Here, I like to invite you all to join us and celebrate this summer with the music, dance, art, meditation, vegetarian food, and much more. It is really fun. Please join. Thank you.
So, friends, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in a few months. Please mark your calendar, July 29th from 12 to 7. Come and bring your friends, bring your family members, and let us together share this energy of love, peace, and harmony within ourselves, with each other, and let's raise the frequency across the world. So look forward to seeing you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.